I'm Bob Holmes. I've been a photographer now for over 40 years, and I've worked for many of the world's great magazines, National Geographic, Time, Life. So I've had a tremendous depth of experience covering all different kinds of situations. I'd redesigned this course. We're calling it a working class because you will be accompanying me into the field, looking at a real assignment and dealing with problems that always occur on assignments. However smoothly you think things are going to go, things go wrong. And you have to think on your feet and deal with them. And the other thing we'll inevitably be looking at is how to deal with people and how to react with people and get the best out of them to make your photographs successful. So come along with us, see exactly how I work in the field, and hopefully you'll emerge from this course as a far better photographer.